Great evening everybody, today I got a new review of this ecological lighter, we can say. So let's go to this is called a honest brand. I never heard of it, so I don't care. It's kinda cylindrical, you know. Here it has a fire steel or magnesium rod. Here it has a keyring or keychain hole, and the mat itself is, you just kinda unscrew it. Here it has an rubber o-ring to keep the seal, and you got your striker, you can say, or your match. So now I'm gonna put another video showing you how you start it. Okay, now I'm gonna do the test. I don't know if you can do it here. Just open this, so you leave the piece of tin. People just push this up or this down. Will be hard, so stay with me. There you have it. Really huge flame. Then you just wait a couple minutes for the rating of the match. Then it still is burning, so if you put it when it still is burning, it's gonna set on fire the lighter fluid inside. I'm gonna try it again. And just put more, and there you have it. You have to try, so we will continue with the review. So okay, now as you can see how it works. Basically this is a container for lighter fluid. This has the I don't remember, I forget how it's called, this rope, I don't remember the name, and it's the same as the simple lighter, you know, and in the middle has a little piece of metal. You strike it like this. The only is really good, it has a big capacity of lighter fluid, and I'm gonna give you some specs. This got 6 centimeters. It's excellent for backpacking if you want it, or for any kind of bushcraft. The only problem I got is you have to really find the spot to put the match and strike it, but you can just have it like this, throw in your backpack and forget about it. Has a plastic bottom. I don't know if you can change the fire still, but I don't believe it, so we can see it has a limited number of uses. So that was pretty much it. I really recommend this kind of stuff. Hope you enjoyed the video, and have a great day. Bye.